Alright guys, for this trip we're out on Sandy Hook Beach and we're doing some surf casting for fluke. This is one of my first times doing this and I'm going to realize that it's a lot of fun. So here, we're hooked up to my first fish and yeah, it's a short fluke but still very fun.
Got one, guys.
Now guys, the gear I'm using is a 7'1" St. Croix Triumph rod with a 3000 size Shimano Sedona reel. I'm using Berkeley Gulp right here, as you can see, on a 1 ounce Spro bucktail in crazy chartreuse, and the Gulp is also chartreuse. Now the retrieve style I'm using is I'm casting it out there and I'm just giving it taps with a very, very slow retrieve towards me. And these fluke there's 2 hits that you'll get taps, and then you'll also get just extra weight that will feel like the fish is just laying on it. And right there next to me is my buddy Shawn, and he is also fluke fishing with me.
No, I know, I saw an explosion too.
Dude, we're so small.
Alright, man. Oh.
And right here, guys, I hook up to a big fish.
Yo, this is bigger. This isn't a
to
fluke.
my surprise, I was not expecting this.
It's not a fluke.
It starts screaming drag, so
A double.
at this point I know what it is.
Yo, it's peeling drag.
And my buddy actually says it in the video. This is a big cow nose ray. So this is definitely exciting. I know a lot of people don't like catching these, but for me this is a lot of fun. I don't do the surf casting very often, so this is a real treat for me.
Holy shit.
It's not gonna come back.
You see it out there?
Battling a fish this size is hard enough with a light rod, but when you have to battle a current as well, this is almost impossible to drag in. So my buddy Shawn is going to help me land it.
Right out there, right?
Holy.
Watch out for the hook. Stop doing it. Oh. See that barb?
Is that the stinger?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's what we got started. hospital for 2 days.
Are you want to release it? You want
If you hear my girlfriend right there, she says, is at the Stinger hospital for 2 days. That's because I got stung probably like a week or two before this, and I was in the hospital for 2 days by the same exact cow nose ray. Not that one, but a smaller one. And yeah, I got infected and I was in the hospital for 2 days. It was not fun, but that was a nice cow nose ray. And if you guys noticed, the barb on that one was probably like 4 inches long, so if you got hit by that, it would have definitely hurt. So be careful if you ever catch those, and yeah, just be safe.
I mean, it feels decent, but it's probably not. It's definitely, oh, it's tiny.
I got one. Double.
Yo, look.
Oh, what was that? Dude, that was a blue. Oh, that's a nice one.
Yeah, I know.
Right here, I'm gonna let the action speak for itself, and I'm probably not gonna do too much more talking for the rest of this video, so enjoy the action.
It's like 16.
Oh, there's. Oh, yo, I saw him eat. I don't think that's a fluke.
There's some weird.
Oh, look, it's a blue. Yo, I got two. I got two.
Dude, I had one on too.
Oh.
Oh, dude, they're snapping.
They're thick, bro.
I don't want to get poked. This thing's not good stuff. Yo, you get home, can you wash this off?
Yeah.
Don't you wash all your setups off?
Yeah. When I use them in salt,
Is that a keeper?
it's not fluke. Yo.
Alright guys, this is a little bit later in the day, same day, probably like an hour or two later, and my buddy Shawn is out there surfing, so he let me use his rod. Now, I want to use this rod for multiple reasons. I might get this in the future, but this is just a beautiful setup here. It's a nice penny more expensive than mine. This is the Jigging World Nexus 7-foot rod spinning, and he's got a Shimano Stratic on there. I forgot exactly what Stratic is. He's got the Shimano Stratic on there, and yeah, his gear is really nice. He's got a power handle on the Stratic, and yeah, I just wanted to give this a swing and see how it felt. He's got a 3/4 ounce bucktail on his setup, and he also has Berkeley Gulp. Now this bluefish will be the last fish I caught today, but I'm going to leave you guys with these last two clips here. It's going to be my buddy surfing in, and then I'll leave you with this one last funny clip. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll be back with more video guys. Make sure you hit that thumbs up. Have fun.
Oh no!